Hey guys, how's it going? I'm back for another video, and before I get started, I'm actually holding up my phone. I wanted to show you a few things that I was working on last night. I didn't record them because I was working with resin, but I just wanted to show you guys what I was up to. So let me bring you guys over here. So I was working on coasters. I have a show coming up in November, so I'm just working on, there's my ocean coasters. Pretty cool. And then I'll show you what else I did. So I did a set of ocean coasters, and then I just did some random blues, like so. And then just, I had some leftover resin, and I'm like, you know what the heck? Let me just make a blue squiggly line. Why not? So I did those, and then you can see here, I've got the silicone mats everywhere, and check this out. It just peels right off. Look at the skin. Like, this is super cool. This is why I love this mat, because it just all peels off, right? Look. Look at that. That's so cool. So here's another one. I'll show you how easily that peels right off. So, you know, people use these and make like jewelry and stuff out of them, right? So it's pretty cool. So this is why I actually, one of the reasons, I love the mat. It's easy to clean up. Like, I mean, this stuff just peels right off, right? Look at that. So, and then I worked on this thing. So this is a commissioned piece. She's my mermaid. I was asked to do purple hair, and then blue for the body, and then turquoise tail tip. Hard to see here in the basement with these horrible pot lights, but she's pretty cool. So it's gonna be one happy little girl there. All right, let's get painting. So I'll put you guys up here on the ever so sturdy tripod. Not. All right. There we go. One of these days I'll get a good one. All right. So tonight I am going to do a black Dutch pour. I've had a few people ask me, can you do a black one? So I said, okay, you know what? I've been promising to do black, so I'm going to do black, and I'm going to use metallics. Oh, look at this. This is from the mermaid. Holy cow. Sidetracked, like seriously. So look at that. That's pretty cool. Oh, it still had wet paint on it under it. Look at that. That's pretty cool. Yeah, I got sidetracked. All right, so as I was saying, I'm going to use metallics, and I figured I already still had these leftovers from one of my previous pours quite a while ago, actually, and it's the Extreme Sheen. So I figured, you know what, I'm going to try it. So we've got the Extreme Sheen Deco Art and the Sapphire, and then what do we have? Amethyst for the purple. And we have 24 karat gold. And this one is aquamarine. So I'm going to use those 4 colors. And then I have, this is a metallic. It's berry. And I can't for the life of me remember what brand. It's probably like a folk art or something. I can't remember. But it's berry, and it's got a metallic shimmer to it, so that's why I'm using it. And I think I'm probably going to add some antique copper. So that's it, and I'm going to get started. Oh, you know what? I need gloves. When you use black, I'm telling you, put some gloves on, because that stuff does not come off your hands. Like, it's ridiculous. So only when I work with black, I use gloves. It gets under your nails, around your nails, and you can scrub and scrub until your hands are raw and that stuff just doesn't come out. All right, I'm ready. So I have an 8x8. I wish I had a bigger canvas, but I don't. I was hoping for a 12x12, but I used them all at my workshop this weekend. So I ran out of 12x12. So we're gonna have to stick with an 8x8, unfortunately, but that's fine. So I'm going to go ahead and flood the canvas. I've had a few people asking me, do you prep your canvases? No, I don't put anything on the canvas. I don't prep the canvas. No, I don't do any of that. So other than the push pins on the bottom, I don't even tape the bottom. See, I don't even want to use my spatula on the black. I hate black. I mean, it's pretty, but I hate working with it because it really is, I mean, it gets everything covered in black, clearly. But since this is such a small canvas, I can get away with using this popsicle stick. Oh, I don't have a squeeze bottle to do my sides. Actually, I don't even have a bottle that has black paint in it. I'm surprised. That's probably because I don't use black very often. But I'm going to use it tonight because people have been asking. And so I would like to, you know, I get so many requests, guys, like, oh, can you do this color and this color and this color? And, you know, I try my best, you know, but I have so many requests. I can't even keep up. So I'm sorry if you've asked for a specific color and I have yet to do it. You know, I'll get to it one day, maybe, hopefully. But yeah, life is, you know, this new job I'm in too is really time consuming. My old job, it used to take me 25 minutes to get to work. This new job takes me, going to work, it takes me an hour and 25 minutes to get to work because there's traffic on the highway, or the freeway as you guys call it in the US. And getting home, it takes me an hour or so, an hour and 10, an hour and 15. But yeah, it's quite the commute. So I get home later now. I leave home earlier now. So it's a change, but I'm loving it. So, all right, put the black down, popped all my bubbles, and I'm going to puddle pour this. Should I puddle pour it? You know what? No, I'm not. I'm not going to puddle pour it. I'm going to do my squigglies as usual, even though it's a small canvas though. So this should be interesting because it is a small canvas. But I want to use up these paints. They've been sitting around. Actually, it's been a long time that these have been sitting around. Probably at least 2 or 3 weeks, maybe. I don't know. When did I do that GAC 800 and Floetrol experiment, that video? So yeah, these have been in here for a while and they're still very fluid. They have not thickened up on me at all. Don't ask me what the ratio is on these because I totally eyeballed it because they're in such small cups. So yeah, I did not measure those. It's a lot of paint. See, this is what happens when you don't have squeeze bottles, right? You can't really control the flow of paint coming out of these little cups. So that's going to be a lot, but that's all right because I can always blow it out. This is going to be interesting. All right, berry. Let's use the berry. That's interesting colors. The 24 karat looks pretty interesting too, actually. All right, and some. Wow, this is going to be fun. All right, I'm actually excited to see how this turns out now. All right, you guys can see me good? Yep. All right, let's, oh, now I have 2 sticks in here. All right, let's get rid of one. Definitely don't need to. Get rid of that. All right. I'm not going to flood too much black because I'm afraid it might get muddy. So I'm going to try really hard here not to add too much. Because who knows, right? I don't know. I was even contemplating if I should add black, but now I did it anyway. So it is what it is. All right, let's torch these bubbles. And let's cross your fingers for me and we'll see what happens. All right, here goes nothing. Let's blow it over. Oh, I blew a lot of the colors right off and I lost my berry. So I wonder, actually, it actually looks really cool. Look at those cells. Wow. If this turns out really good and it dries really good, I'm going to do this on a much bigger scale. I'm going to do a big canvas. Look at the cells popping out. Wow. All right, let's torch it. That is super neat. And you know what? I'm not even going to blow it. I want to put some berry in there though. I lost it all. It's all here on the ends. I can see it. It all fell off the canvas. But holy smokes, what is going on right here? I don't think you can see that. Kind of. What? This is really cool. I want berry in there though, but if I put berry in there, I'm gonna have to blow it, and I don't want to blow it. No, you know what? No, don't do it. I'm not gonna do it. Okay, I'm gonna bring you guys in for a close-up. But I'll try it again and I'll add more berry. Now I want to do another one. I do, but I'm not set up for that right now. All right, let me bring you in for a close-up because this is pretty cool. So look at that. That is some really cool cell action, like even along the side. I'm really liking that. And then the colors are so vibrant. And then there's a few more, oops, little cells here. There's like the turquoise right there. Well, there it is, guys. Let me know what you guys think. Actually, I'm really, really liking this a lot. Like, this is really cool. I'm going to totally do this on a bigger canvas now. I'm so going to do this on a bigger canvas. I might even do it after I turn this camera off. I will videotape it though. We'll see. Anywho, that's it for now. Let me know what you guys think. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. If you are new watching, hit that subscribe button, guys. I'd really appreciate it. And don't forget to hit that notification bell. That way you're notified when I post new videos. And I think that's it. Amazon links are listed below. A lot of people ask me, oh, can you show pictures of what your pieces look dry? All those are always posted on my Instagram, which then goes to my Facebook, and then I also have them on Pinterest too. So if you want to see the dried results, head on over to my other social media sites. There will always be pictures of the dried results there. And that's it. I think that's all. Thanks very much, guys. Until the next one, have a good night. Bye.